Hey, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. And today, we're diving into the world of B2B data platforms, comparing two key players, Seamless AI and ZoomInfo. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful business tech reviews. Now, let's jump into the comparison. Seamless AI and ZoomInfo are both prominent players in the B2B data space, offering solutions to empower businesses with accurate and actionable information. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons for each platform to help you make an informed decision for your business. Starting with Seamless AI, let's highlight notable advantages. Seamless AI stands out for its comprehensive data coverage. It provides a vast array of company information, including firmographics, technographics, and contact details. For instance, it excels in offering detailed insights into a company's technology stack, aiding in targeted marketing strategies. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those less familiar with data analytics. The intuitive design facilitates smooth navigation, helping users quickly extract the information they need without a steep learning curve. Seamless AI prides itself on real-time data updates. This feature ensures that users have access to the latest and most accurate information, crucial for maintaining the relevance and effectiveness of sales and marketing efforts. Now let's address potential drawbacks of Seamless AI. One drawback is the pricing structure, which might be considered on the higher side for some businesses. The cost factor could be a limitation for smaller companies looking for cost-effective solutions. While Seamless AI integrates with several CRMs and marketing tools, its integration options are not as extensive as some competitors. This could pose a challenge for businesses heavily reliant on specific software that Seamless AI may not fully support. Next up, let's explore advantages of ZoomInfo. ZoomInfo boasts a massive database with millions of companies and contacts. This extensive coverage ensures that users can find information on a wide range of prospects, making it a powerful tool for businesses targeting diverse markets. The platform offers advanced search filters, allowing users to tailor their searches with precision. This granularity is particularly useful for companies with specific targeting criteria, enabling them to identify and connect with their ideal audience. ZoomInfo provides a robust integration ecosystem, seamlessly connects with popular CRM systems, marketing automation tools, and other business applications. This level of integration ensures a smooth workflow and enhances the platform's capability with existing business processes. Now, let's consider some drawbacks of ZoomInfo. Some users may find ZoomInfo's interface a bit complex, leading to a steeper learning curve. This could potentially slow down the onboarding process and impact initial user experience. While ZoomInfo offers a robust set of features, its premium pricing might be a deterrent for smaller businesses with budget constraints. The cost might be preserved as a barrier to entry for those seeking a more affordable solution. And there you have it, a concise comparison of Seamless AI and ZoomInfo. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific business needs and goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share your thoughts or experiences with these platforms in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.